Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So these are bread proofing baskets. I actually have two different ones. I'm going to be making bread soon, so I'm going to be showing you how they work. This is what they look like. So it comes with these. And then it comes with a little user manual that'll tell you how to use them. You can use, rice flour or regular flour. So I personally like to take these right here. It does come with two. And you put these in here, like so. And then you're going to sprinkle your flour on top of this. Some people will do it directly in the basket, but because this is made out of like a paper mache, I prefer to do it this way. That way I just have to take this part off and wash it and don't have to worry about wetting the whole thing. For me, it's just gonna be easier to do it that way. Because even if you have like the basket ones, the baskets, the wooden baskets will get mold if you don't dry them properly. So for me, this works best. And then if you do want to put something over it, I usually get shower caps to proof them so that they can rise. But that's what you do, and then you just put either rice flour or just regular flour in here, and then let them rise and everything and bake them. But let me go ahead and show you like the size of breads that they make. Yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.